Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Alright, how you doing? So we're going to do a chicken curry today. Now you've seen me make hundreds of chicken curries if you're a regular to the show. Now this is a beautiful one. It's really aromatic. Got some eggplants in there which are optional. Got some chilies, some fresh mint and some lovely spices. This is divine. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at some spices. We've got 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili, 2 teaspoons coriander. On the left we've got some oil. I've got 4 tablespoons of oil there. I'm using sunflower. On the other side we've got 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Here we have 1 chicken. This is a 1 kg chicken, which is about 2.2 pound. Skin is on, bone is in. I've cut it into maybe 10 to 12 pieces. Simply, we're going to get it all in, give it a mix. Okay, all mixed, ready to go. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so we've got a wok, skillet, pan, whatever. I've got that on medium heat. We're going to drop it all in. And what we're going to do is we're going to fry this around for about 6 minutes on a medium heat. It's going to be absolutely delicious. There you go, that's about 6 minutes. Now that chicken's not cooked all the way through yet, but got some nice colour on there. I've got 1 cup of onions here, cut nice and small. We're going to go for 4 more minutes. Really fabulous. Okay, tomato time. So I've got 2 decent size tomatoes there. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. Stay on this medium heat and let's go for about another 5 minutes or so. What we want is those tomatoes to break down and maybe give us a little bit of masala sauce. Okay, look, I got loads and loads of moisture from my tomatoes. That's because I used a really nice ripe juicy one. If you didn't, you could just add a little bit of water, but that's wonderful. But next up, we're going to drop in our eggplants. Now, I've got maybe 2 or 3 cups of eggplants. Now, these eggplants are kind of really long. They're not the kind of regular shape. But yeah, you can use either one that you want. In fact, there are so many types of eggplant. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to get the heat down. Not to a simmer, but above a simmer. Lid goes on. Leave that for about 8 minutes. Okay, off comes the lid. Let me get some steam out of there. Now I'm going to add some chili to it, but I want to show you a few chilies today. So these size, hot, in they go. I'm not chopping them, chop them if you want. These are the kind of regular ones you may have seen me use before, bit hotter than those ones. And then today I've got some of these little bad boys, really hot. So in they go. Now you can chop your chili in there or slice it down the middle. I'm just putting it in whole just so it gets a little bit of flavour. And then instead of adding coriander or cilantro, which is very common, I'm going to use fresh mint, which is really delicious in this. We're going to turn the heat off, give it a mix, check it for salt. It's going to be fine for me. Job done. Now the chilies I like in there nice and crunchy along with the mint, so we're not going to cook them in. If you want, you could add them earlier chopped. You'll get a bit more heat out of it. Let me get that on a plate. That's fabulous. All right, and there you go. That's it. Job done. Nice big piece of, well, not a piece really, leaves of mint on the top. That really, really is fabulous. Nice, really aromatic, juicy chicken. Fabulous. Even if I say so myself. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.